Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you for joining me here today for this guided face rolling meditation. This meditation will be about 15 minutes long. That's 15 minutes of your day that you have gifted yourself, a period of calm and relaxation. You are here now for this short time. Center yourself and allow yourself these moments. Start by getting yourself into a comfortable position. You can choose to keep your eyes closed for the duration of this session, or if you feel more comfortable, leave them open and allow them to rest on a space in front of you. Let's begin by focusing on the breath. Notice your breath going in and notice your breath going out. Place one hand on your stomach and the other on your chest, and notice what your body does when you inhale and exhale. Let's take a few deep centering breaths together. Let's inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. We're going to do this 3 times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you exhale, I want you to imagine you're getting rid of all that stale air in your lungs. Let's release that and replace it with beautiful, energizing, fresh air. Breathe in, 3, 2, 1, and out, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. In, 3, 2, 1, and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that you're feeling more focused and centered, let's do a quick body scan. Start by slowly bringing your attention down to your feet. Begin observing sensations in your feet. If you notice pain, acknowledge it and any thoughts or emotions that accompany it, and gently breathe through it. Let's move up to our legs. Notice how your legs feel at this moment. Are they loose? Tight? Do you have any different sensations? Let's take a deep breath and move up to our hips. Our hips carry a lot of pressure and are often overlooked when we're stretching or exercising. Think about how your hips are feeling. Let's treat them to a gentle stretch by making the shape of the number 8 with them. You can do this sitting or lying down. Gently rotate your hips in the shape of a figure 8. Let's do it 2 more times, remembering to really stretch side to side. Take a deep breath and a cleansing exhale, and release any tension you are holding in your strong and powerful hips. We're now going to focus on our stomach. There is so much going on in there all day long. How are you feeling? Hungry? Full? Bloated? Are your muscles tight? Let's take a deep breath and release any negative feelings. Let's move on up to our shoulders and chest, a place where so many of us carry our tension. Gently raise your shoulders towards your ears 3 times, up and down, up and down, up and down. How are you feeling? Are you tight anywhere? Any knots in your shoulders? Maybe you feel slightly off center. Gently roll your shoulders back a few times while deep breathing and see how this makes you feel. Allow your chest and throat muscles to relax. Let's take our final step in our body scan. We're focusing on our head and face. What's happening there right now? Are you holding any tightness in your neck, cheekbones, jaw? Allow yourself to relax. Let your eyebrows softly rest, your lips gently touch, and your breath slowly go in and out, in and out. Now that you've done a full body scan, I hope you're feeling a little more relaxed and centered. Slowly pick up your face roller with the crystal head you've chosen. Let's begin with the neck. I want you to start on the right side of your neck, under your chin. I want you to roll in downwards motions towards your chest. Let's do this 12 times on each side of our neck, slightly changing the position of your line every 3 times. So we're under the chin on the right side and we're rolling downwards towards the collarbone. Let's move to the left side of our neck, again rolling in downwards motion towards your chest. Spend a little more time rolling this part of the neck, and while you're rolling, I want you to imagine you're moving all the negativity down towards the lymph draining spots. You don't need to press hard, pull or tug. The weight of the crystal and this repetitive motion is doing all the work here. Next, we're heading up to our chin. Start at the center of your chin and roll the crystal along the jawline up towards the ear, then sweep down the neck again. Let's go ahead and do this 5 times on each side. Starting in the center point of the chin, rolling out along the jawline, up towards the ear, and then down the side of the neck. Now we're going to move on to our lips, starting in the center point of our lips and rolling out towards the ear. Let's do this 5 times on each side. Are you still relaxed in breathing? Remember that this is not a test or exam. This is a beautiful ritual you're doing for yourself. You're in charge here. If rolling a particular area feels good, feel free to continue with it. If you want to change it up, go for it. Let your body and intuition guide you. Let's move slightly higher up and work from the center of our upper lip out towards the ear. Do this 5 times on each side. Nice and gently, breathing in and out as you roll up towards the ear. Up we go towards the side of our nose, and we're gently rolling out over the cheek towards the ear. Once again, we're doing this 5 times on each side. You're starting on the side of your nose and rolling out over your cheekbone towards the ear. Now we're going to switch to the smaller end of our face roller. This beautiful piece of rose quartz is shaped in a way that is designed to fit into the smaller parts of your face and body. Using a gentle pressing motion, move the small rose quartz piece from the inner corner of your eye out towards the ear. Pressing once at the inner corner, move slightly out under the eye, gently press again, again, and again, moving out towards the ear. Do this 5 times on each side. Using the same end of the roller, I want you now to place it on the bridge of your nose and gently press for a count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's switch to the larger end of the roller and do the same thing. This is a great place to press and massage if you're prone to holding tension in your face and often get headaches. It's also linked to the third eye chakra. If you're interested in learning about the different attributes of the crystals in your crystal roller kit, you might like to know that amethyst is linked to the third eye chakra. So if you're not working with the amethyst right now, maybe on your next rolling session, you might like to try that. If you've been keeping your eyes open, now is the time to softly close them while you gently roll the roller from the inner corner of your eye out towards the ear. You are lightly rolling across the eyelid. Do this 5 times on each eye. Notice how cooling the crystal feels as you do this. Think of all the work your eyes have done today and what a beautiful reward this is for them. We're now moving on to our eyebrows and once again working from the center of the face out towards the ears. Do this 5 times on each brow. Our eyebrows are a place where a lot of us hold tension. There are 42 muscles in our face, and it is said that we can make an average of 21 distinct facial expressions. Our eyebrows play a key role in making these expressions. You're starting at the bridge of your nose and rolling out across the eyebrow. Remember to work on both the right and the left sides. Let's move on to our forehead, and again, working from the center point out towards the ears. Working on one side, and now moving to the other side. We're now finished with our facial rolling. I want you to place the roller down and take a couple of minutes to check in with yourself. How are you feeling? Does your face feel more relaxed? Is it tingling in any places? Does it feel tighter or looser? Let's take a few final breaths together. Let's take a big, energizing breath in for 4 and out for 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you wish to relax for a few more minutes, the music will continue to play as you enjoy this time for yourself. If you wish to finish here, gently wiggle your fingers and toes as you bring yourself back to consciousness. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have enjoyed this guided meditation. Lots of love, Emma.